Creating a template. To create a template, click either the Add New Template from the folder menu, or the New Template link. The first option is to create a blank template. Enter a template name, and select a document type from the drop-down list. Next, add any additional users who need access to the template. By default, the person who creates the template will be assigned the template owner role. When all of the users have been added, click the Finish button. A new template will be created. To create the template structure, watch the Adding Headings and Sections video. The new template will now be added to the All Templates list in the dashboard. The second option is to import from a Word document. Choose to keep the Word document formatting, and import each paragraph as separate or single sections. Select the document to import. For more information, watch the Import a Word document video. Enter a template name, and select a document type from the drop-down list. Add users, and click Finish to import the document. After the document is imported, and the template has been created, all of the headings and sections are automatically approved. At this point, the template still needs to be published, before it can be used to create a document. Click the Publish button and the template is now available for use.